Okay, we all saw it. We see you, J-Lo. We see the celebrities on the red carpet looking perfect. How do they do it is the question.
America's holistic beauty doc, Anthony Yoon, knows all of their secrets. He is going to reveal them all to us right now. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
You do spend time in Hollywood.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I mean, I've done a lot of TV out there. We just were at the SAG Awards with my wife, which was a lot of fun.
Oh.
So, yeah, so we're definitely on the cutting edge of all this stuff.
You know what's going on. In other words, you know what everyone's doing out there.
Yeah,
and how they're looking, how they look.
Exactly, and I'm friends with Dr. Pimple Popper and all these doctors out there now. Although we're here in Michigan, so it's a good thing.
Right here in Troy. Okay, so we want to start. You want to start with, and what we're trying to do is tell you things that you can do at home or maybe in the office. So let's start with this one, Doctor.
Okay, so one of the most popular treatments in our office is called dermaplaning, and as scary as this may look, this is a scalpel blade, and what we do is in the office we can actually get rid of that kind of fuzzy hair that we get on the face and exfoliate the skin using this dermaplaning technique. Well, you can actually do it at home now. This is an at-home dermaplane device. It's called Sonic Smooth, and you can feel it against your skin here. So what this does, it uses ultrasonic waves, and it actually can help do it at home, and it's a safe way to do it yourself.
What's this going to, so other than getting rid of peach fuzz, what's this going to do for my face?
It can actually exfoliate the upper layer of dead skin cells. Okay,
I'm not going to really do it because I had makeup on. But
so when we do it in the office, you can actually see not only the peach fuzz, but you can see this actually dead skin that builds up. It's kind of like if you do a whole body thing. It's like when you take a bath and you see that ring around the tub.
Yeah.
It's that type of idea, but you do that for your face.
Okay, so this is Sonic Smooth, and this, how much is that?
It's $99. You can get it at most stores like Ulta, like Sephora, that type of
Quick
thing.
question about that.
Yeah.
You're told, I don't know if this is a myth, you start shaving and messing, and then it grows back thicker.
That is a myth.
Is that true? Okay.
That is a myth. The only reason why it feels like that is because when you remove the hair is a little bit longer. It gets thicker at the shaft. If you remove it, it feels thicker, but it is completely a myth.
Good to know.
Yeah, that's a good question. Okay, this, I see something about erasing wrinkles. What's going on here?
So this is the newest thing, red light therapy. We're learning more and more now that the color of light can really make an impact on your skin. So blue light for acne, red light is actually used a lot for anti-aging. So we all do lasers and stuff in our office. This is a way you can do it actually at home. You do it in each area. It's about 5 minutes in each area.
Elle doesn't need it, but go ahead and give me a little red light. Okay, so...
And that really works?
It does. Now, this is very slow and working, so you want to do it once a day, and it does take us several weeks to really see the effects. Some people are doing this over their whole body.
Oh, my.
There's actually beds that you can do with
How much time do you have to do? Okay, so you get into a bed.
Well, you get in a whole bed, and it does your whole body. But this is the one you can do at home.
Okay, very good. All right, we got some stuff to talk about here.
So you may see in Hollywood, lips are the big thing. Kylie Jenner, huge thing. And there was a period of time, it was pretty scary, where they had this Kylie Jenner lip challenge, where people were plumping up their lips using devices like this. So now we can do it in our office using injectable fillers, but a lot of people now are trying to do it at home by using a pumping device like this. It's a bit unusual. You actually put it on your mouth, and it uses this vacuum suction to suction your lips bigger. And you can actually buy this online. It's a temporary fix. I don't recommend this because it's traumatic to your lips. So what I recommend is if you want to do something easy, take your lip gloss, your normal lip gloss, and put a drop or two of peppermint oil into it. All you do is put a drop or two into your lip gloss, okay? And I'll show it down here. And then you just put the top back on, you mix it around, and go ahead and apply your gloss.
And you have a plumper?
And that's a at-home lip plumper, and it's completely natural. So use organic peppermint oil, and go ahead and put it in, mix it up, and then apply it onto your lips.
Honest question, for better results, could you just apply this, a little dab to your lips?
I suppose you could.
Like people would do that.
Yeah, but it's always nice to have it diluted into the gloss.
Right.
Yeah, because that's probably going to be too strong.
All right, very good. Oh, we don't have time to get to tummy tone? Okay, we got to take a quick break. When we come back...
I think they're saying we have a few seconds.
All right, so real quick, you can do lipo, you can do lasers to reduce fat, or you can do a body wrap. So this is what a lot of celebrities do in Hollywood before a award show like that. You can lose inches, lasts several hours, gets rid of that water weight.
What?
And this is a commercially available one. Yep.
That's a temporary fix, though, right, Dr. Yoon?
Yep, so this is before something like that. You can reduce cellulite, reduce inches, and you do it before a big event. Or you can do sculpture like you're seeing on the screen here.
To bloat within a matter of hours or minutes and see a big difference, or how do you control that?
So what you can do with something like this is by wrapping it around, usually you can use even essential oils. It does get rid of that water weight. A lot of people exercise with it on for a while, and then when you take it off, people do lose inches. Now, it is temporary. That's the big thing you want to keep in mind.
And the surgical procedure we saw, what's that called?
It's called sculpture. So it's a laser that reduces fat after 2 treatments, about 24% of the thickness of fat, and that is permanent.
How much does that cost?
It's about $1,200 per treatment, $1,250 per treatment.
Permanent, though.
But you do get permanent.
And that's legit. It works.
Yes, you can take up to 4 areas at one time. Each area is about the size of a deck of cards.
Maybe we can split one.
The size of a deck of cards.
Technically.
Oh,
That's a small area.
pick the right.
Yeah.
Right. Me right here and right here.
All right. I have some questions for you when we come back. We're going to talk. I want to talk about cellulite. What are we going to do about this cellulite? And we'll answer your questions. If you do hashtag the 9, get them in real quick. We'll ask Dr. Yoon when we come back, and we'll also talk about procedures he says are too risky.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. So we'll do that.
Some scary stuff.
We'll be right back.